guys! Welcome back to our channel. I am Kathy.
I'm Carlo.
So today we're here sa Makati. We're going to visit their Sunday market, which is
Legazpi Sunday Market. Yeah, so we're here. It's a flea market. Happens every Sunday. They have several different stalls that offer anything that you can find, from furnitures, apparel, I think, and food.
And food, yes. So we bring Phoebe because may park din sila. So we're gonna check that out as well. So okay guys, join us.
All right, see you.
Ay, gusto ko yun, oh. Ay, sorry. Atay. Ayan, oh, atay. Dad, I want... May ano sila, spring roll.
Thai. Imang Salud. Wow, number 1 in Semara in Manila.
What is Indonesian? Indonesian salad with peanut.
Spring roll. Tapos, bagong rice. Sige, I'll have one bagong rice. Fresh spring rolls and bagong rice. Good morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Peanut. What did you get? Bagong rice.
I got the bagong rice.
sabaw ah. Parang may... Yeah. Okay siya.
Namin mahanap, John.
What do you get? Sandwich.
Sweet cheese ba yan?
Parang mozzarella.
How much was it?
260. Hi guys! So we're done visiting the Legazpi Sunday Market. So what can you say?
Yeah, I think overall it was a great experience. We came here for the food because we saw online that there's a lot of different food stalls there and we weren't disappointed. There's also other stuff aside from food like novelty items, produce, fresh organic produce.
Fruits,
So yeah,
vegetables. So you can also do your marketing here. So pwede na kayong magbili
dito na
ng-
kayo mamili. Yeah, I would suggest come here early if you can. There's still actually yung Legazpi car park is convenient way for you to park your car, but you can also do street parking.
When we arrived here, meron din Sunday Mass.
Yes,
So
the mall.
we suggest you come here early so you can go to Mass and then afterwards you can, visit the Sunday Market. So, thank you guys for watching. That's all for now. See you next week. Bye!